Hey friends, welcome back. If you love Bluey stories, don't forget to like and subscribe right now so you never miss another adventure. Today we have a very fun story about Bluey and her grandma. Let's jump right in. It was a bright sunny morning. Bluey woke up with excitement. She heard a knock at the door. When she ran over, she saw Grandma standing there with her big smile. "Grandma!" Bluey shouted. Bingo ran in too, jumping with joy. Dad and Mom welcomed Grandma inside. The house suddenly felt even happier. Grandma brought a big colorful bag. "I've got a surprise," she said. Bluey and Bingo's eyes sparkled. But Grandma laughed and said, "Not yet, you have to earn it." Bluey loved a challenge. She asked what they needed to do. Grandma whispered, "An adventure with me." Bluey and Bingo followed Grandma to the backyard. Mom reminded them to be safe, while Dad smiled, knowing Grandma always had funny ideas. In the garden, Grandma pulled out 2 scarves from her bag. She tied them around Bluey and Bingo like superhero capes. "Today," Grandma declared, "we are treasure hunters." Bluey loved the idea. Bingo clapped her hands. Grandma explained there were hidden objects around the yard, and they needed to find them using clues. The first clue was, "Look where the flowers dance." Bluey ran to the flower bed and spotted a shiny pebble. She held it up. "First treasure," she shouted. The next clue led them under the big shady tree. Bingo crawled low and discovered a small toy hidden in the grass. "I found it," Bingo said proudly. Grandma clapped and hugged her. Bluey cheered for her sister. Together, they felt like a real team. While the girls searched, Grandma sometimes pretended to be a sneaky dragon guarding the treasure. She growled and waved her arms. Bluey and Bingo laughed so hard they fell on the grass. Dad peeked out the window and couldn't stop smiling. Mom joined them with snacks, enjoying the show. After finding 3 treasures, Grandma announced the final clue. "This one is special," she said. The clue was, "Where stories rest." Bluey thought for a moment. She remembered the bookshelf in the living room. She ran inside with Bingo. There, hidden between books, was a small box wrapped in paper. They carried the box outside. Grandma nodded with pride. "You solved it," she said. Bluey and Bingo opened the box together. Inside was a small set of stickers, each with fun shapes and colors. The girls screamed with delight. They hugged Grandma tightly, but the adventure wasn't over. Grandma said, "Now we must make our own treasure maps." She gave them paper and crayons. Bluey drew the garden with all the hiding spots. Bingo added stars and hearts. Grandma drew a funny picture of herself as the dragon. Mom and Dad laughed at her silly drawing. The family sat together under the tree, showing off their maps. The sun began to set, painting the sky orange and pink. Bluey leaned against Grandma and said, "This was the best adventure ever." Bingo nodded and whispered, "You're the best, Grandma." Grandma kissed them both on the head. As the stars appeared, Mom called everyone in for dinner. Dad carried the treasure box inside. Bluey and Bingo held Grandma's hands. They felt warm, safe, and happy. At the table, they shared stories about the day. Even Muffin arrived later and got to see the maps. She laughed and wanted to play the game next time. The house was filled with love, laughter, and the smell of dinner. Grandma raised her glass of juice and said, "To family adventures." Everyone cheered. Bluey smiled wide, her heart full. It was a day she would always remember. Thanks for listening, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can join Bluey, Bingo, Mom, Dad, Grandma, and Muffin for the next adventure. See you soon.